I didn't come from strength. I didn't come from confidence. I started with nothing. No talent. No belief. No backup. Do you know how hard it is to start grinding from nothing, and worse, when no one believes in you? So remember that. If you see me rising now, just know I bled for every level I reached.
If you don't like me, why do you still follow me? It's because even your enemies understand that the favor on your life is so crazy, I don't want to miss nothing. There are people in your life who aren't in love with your potential. They're obsessed with your position.